The average millionaire has around 7 sources of income, and so I can't believe that so many of us don't try to create more ways of earning. So if you're fine with your job as being your only income stream, then you should skip this video. But if you do want to expand your sources of income, then I want to share with you something really powerful. You see, it doesn't matter whether you want to become a millionaire or not. What's more important is not depending on your wage, because your job income is linear and it's capped by the amount of hours that you work. And also, jobs these days are not really secure. So to feel security and to cope with the rising cost of living that we all face, I had to find another way of earning. And I came to realize that an online business was the best business that I could build because of the high margins, the low overheads, and the high return on investment, especially compared to other businesses. So I believe that starting an online business is one of the smartest moves that you can make today. And what really gave me the confidence was a series of free video workshops. It's run by my mentor Stuart, who's a founder of an education company, and he helps you understand 3 things. The first thing being the exact online business models available to everyone right now and how to choose the right model for you, because that's important. 2, exactly what technology and software you need to build your business, including simple drag and drop software that anyone can use regardless of technical ability. And 3, and this is really key, how to acquire customers, how to bring traffic to your offer or product, because that's so important. Stuart is an excellent teacher and he really breaks down these concepts for you. He's also one of the leading authorities on building businesses online, and he's helped people doing it for over 10 years now. And best of all, he helped me realize that anyone can start an online business. Doesn't matter if you're a banker or a trucker, even if you don't have any product idea. I would recommend these videos to anyone who's seeking the right solution to building a sustainable income source around their job. And I was able to make an informed decision and say, this is the path I want to go down. You know, all it takes is a dedication to living your best life. Of course, building a business of any type requires time and effort on your part. But bear in mind that the internet is still so young, like it's only around 30 years old. So starting a business online today, by doing so, you'd already be ahead of 99% of the world. So I had looked at other opportunities and investment ideas, like starting a franchise, but it was very capital intensive. Property investing was similar. You're tying up your money for a while. And I really didn't want to get into trading because I couldn't look at computer screens all day and also be subject to market volatility. Also, I was pretty comfortable with my job in the banking sector, but I was just concerned and frustrated because my income was growing, yes, but it was linear and it was capped. And also banking isn't secure, really, is it? Whereas in a business, your earnings can be exponential and you're in control. So I wanted to start a digital business initially around my job and at my own pace so I can work in it on the evenings. So maybe you're at a crossroads in your life. You know, maybe you've got a comfortable job, but you really want to expand your income. You'd really like to know more about building a profitable online business. And I'm now in a position where I want to give back to others. So if you're a driven, ambitious, and open-minded person, then I'm willing to share that free video workshop with you. You know, it gave me the inspiration and confidence to build my first online business, and you can do the same. All you've got to do is click below, enter your name and email address in my website, and I'll send those free videos directly to your inbox. It's so important to strive to grow other sources of income, not just for security, but also to give you that freedom, that platform to go on and live your best life. Check out those free videos and I'll speak to you real soon.